Hey guys, Jenny here from WTI. Today what I wanted to share with you are these amazing whiskey glasses. Now my husband loves whiskey and I love buying glasses for whiskey. Now what I love about this specifically is I just love the look of it. It has such a nice curve appeal to it and a nice little stem so that when you're drinking it, you can actually put your fingers here and you can sip it. As well, I'm going to show you firsthand, but there's a pretty big opening here at the top so that when you're actually tasting whiskey, your nose isn't going to get stuck for all those people who have bigger noses and love whiskey. So this is what it looks like when you have the whiskey in there. As well, like I said, I do love this stem so that you can hold it and you're not going to have the warmth of your hand warming up your whiskey. Some people, they're very specific and picky, and I understand. So you can hold it just so. And like I said before, your nose can easily fit in there if you want to smell it. And then when you go to drink it, everything can fit. Still don't understand the appeal of whiskey, but we'll leave that one for my husband, and we'll leave the buying of the glasses to me. So if you are in the market for some whiskey glasses, I definitely recommend this. And that's just my point of view.